Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a new, not really obsession, but could become.
A brand new rabbit hole.
Brand new rabbit hole, and that is Sasha dolls. I really like Sasha dolls. I looked at them for years, just never purchased. I've been watching them on Lorraine's channel, Where Dolls Dwell. She's actually doing a series on Sasha dolls, talking about their history and the different ones. Anyway, I went and bought one. Long story short, this is one I didn't think I'd buy, and then I decided I needed one in my collection. I don't see myself getting any more of these, but, well, you know how I am.
You're making it sound like this is your first Sasha.
Well, no, it's not my first Sasha. It's actually not my second Sasha, but I haven't shown my Sashas much. I have a collab coming up, thanks to Karen at Starts and Stitches. Karen is amazing, and she got me sewing the historical outfits for the AG, and one thing led to another, and she asked if I'd like to do a collab from a sewing book. I said yeah, and I knew she had a Sasha, so I bought a Sasha. Okay, it doesn't look like this string is bad. Now, I don't know. Could probably tighten that. Isn't she adorable? Get a close-up on that darling face. Boy, even her hair is nice. I don't know that I'll do anything to that hair. Oh, she's in good shape. Other than this piece of elastic across here. I bought some outfits. I got this at an antique store, and I paid like, I don't know, 59 or 99 cents. Some of them were 59, some of them were 99. Then I found a pattern. I should really get her dressed first. Or I mean, get her fixed first. But I want to see if this, this might be too big for her. This was in the Dolls Dressmaker pattern book. Oh no, it's gonna fit. And I thought it was for a Sasha baby. And it's a little big. But you know what? That works out just fine. Isn't that cute? And I made it reversible so that you could. Now you wouldn't want to do this for a human child, and I'll show you why in just a second. You would have your Velcro in the inside. But for a doll, you can make that reversible, and well, I didn't line that up very well, but you could have that for, well, boy, that really looks bad. Let me fix it so you actually get the idea of how cute these can be. That's a little big, but I think it's good. A little diaper. I actually made diapers a lot like this for my own sons when they were babies. Yes, I used cloth diapers for my children. Because of, believe it or not, back in the 70s and 80s, the environment. All right, let's restring her. What do you think, Darren? Should we do the whole doll or just the...
With her bent knees, I assume she never stands,
no.
Right? So
let's just do her
arms.
arms.
Are good, just her arms.
I'm the filmer, so bear with us.
Okay, I didn't know she wanted to film this process. I started, the hook was hooked on, and when I started to I tried to unhook it to see so I didn't have to cut the elastic, and in doing so the elastic came apart, so I'd say it was on its last legs, and that's why it was so loose. They use, it looks like they use a metal crimp to join the two pieces together, and I'm guessing that it was unraveling, fraying, and coming apart, and that's why the arms were so loose, and that it was just a matter of time before it was limbless. So anyway, we were going to...
And we bought this cord on Amazon. Do you remember the size? Probably not.
It looks like about 3 millimeters, but if it's not 3 millimeters, I'll put that in the video, I guess.
Darren had made a frog, an articulated frog, and an articulated rabbit in different sizes for me, and that's what we used to string them with. Okay, you want to say what you're doing?
It's really a simple process from what I can tell. We just need to,
Is that too big, that cord, or is it
well,
just frayed?
it's just frayed and
Yeah.
giving me troubles. And I don't know exactly how much I want, so I'm gonna try not to trim cut the cord to length until we're at least close. When it always takes less cord than you think to string them, but you need more cord than you think to hold on to it while you're stringing.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of wastage
And you use hemostats for a lot of this, but because it's just the arms, and Darren has more arm and hand strength than I do, he's just going to tie it off and see how it goes. Darren is the doll doctor here, not because I can't do it, but because he loves to take things apart and fix them. What do you do? I mean, just all kinds of stuff.
To the consternation of my father, when I was young, I loved to take things apart. Unfortunately, I never really got a lot of them back
Let me
together.
back up so we can see this well.
So,
And what kind of knot are you going to use? Just square?
just a square knot. It's simple, simple, simple. It's all we need here.
And do you need a finger on that?
I might very well, yes. Oh,
Oh,
guess what? Okay.
I bet that's why they had, well, no, I was going to say a knot on each side, but I see.
I'm not sure why it came off.
When you go to restring, take your time. Take the time it takes. Sometimes it goes really well, sometimes it does not. I know when I was stringing those frogs, I have, what do I have, 3 or 4? And they're different sizes, and one of them went really well, one of them did not. And it's not complicated. You want to cut your fray.
It's just fiddly work.
Yeah, it's very fiddly, and you can just chop it. You just have to take the time it takes.
See, the problem is this hook is,
Small,
well, it's,
crimped. You know, I've
it's-
seen people when they restring, they crimp that hook. I think that's a bad idea.
I
Now,
was gonna say, I didn't.
now some people do put a knot right here first before
Yeah.
they pull it on in.
I don't know that that buys us that much, but I could do that.
Well, we'll try it again.
We'll
and
try it
see.
again, and if I fail again, we'll.
Yeah.
This is the first Sasha doll I've ever.
Handled.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah,
that's not true, because you made shoes for the 16-inch girl.
yeah. First Sasha doll I've had in pieces, so. But she's already got them lined up, so there won't be. There'll be others. It won't be the last.
Yeah, I'm looking at one.
I'm trying to let the camera see, but I can't see. So.
I'm gonna let this run and let you cut it where you want.
Okay. Oh, goody.
Okay, here we go with the knot.
Let's just
Carefully
take this.
with the hook.
Yeah, let's just take
Turn
this.
that around, yeah.
Take this slow, not yank on it too quickly.
Most dolls you string tight, but not all. Some, if you tie, like the 1/3 BJD dolls, if you string them too tight, they get kicky. And what kicky means is their legs will come flying up, their arms will come flying in. But when they're not articulated, or I think that's when, now don't hold me to that, but when they're not articulated, let me see if I can get a better, I'm trying to see where you do, like GoPro.
Yeah.
But I don't wanna be in your
The
way.
trick for me is I don't have any experience with how tight these need to be
Yeah.
for this doll, so we may get it wrong and have to
Tight,
redo it.
yeah.
But yeah, it seems to me, since there's just a short amount of elastic involved here from here to here, that it has to be really tight, because there's no
Yep.
other give.
Yep.
And you can see already, this is still very loose. I have the tension here, but I'm not sure if I need to take all of that out or not. Because again, like you said, I don't want it kicky.
Yeah. Well, I know a lot of the doll doctors really pull that tight, and they use those hemostats, of which we're trying not to. But we have them. I used them for the frog and the bunny, or frogs and bunny.
All right, we're We're gonna go with this and see what we got. I don't think you can get a finger in there.
All right, can I? I won't be able to help.
I don't think so.
Okay.
But I got.
Okay.
I lost my end. Don't go away.
All right, let me come in at this side so they can see. Oh, you got it. Very good. Add another
I just want
knob.
to see how we're
Yep.
doing here.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. So
Oh, that looks real good.
it'll loosen up just a hair when because the knot's
Right.
stretching it out just a hair,
Yep,
but
I think that's right.
not bad.
I know when I look for American Girl dolls on eBay, you can get a much better doll,
Sorry.
much better deal.
This is a wastage I was trying to avoid, but I needed.
Oh, no, you have to have that. That's just part of it. Again, you can get the string on Amazon, probably eBay.
And then why I didn't want to knot this end is because in theory, we can work that knot to the interior.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
See, whereas
yeah.
if this was knotted, that knot was going to be there.
That's
so,
true. You don't want that on that shoulder.
So,
And then you just push that in the hole and ta-da!
well, there's no ta-da. My right hand has always, well, what do you always say? It's for decoration.
My left hand is just for decoration.
Fiddly work
I
with my
can't
right
use-
hand is not a good idea. How's
I
that?
can't use.
So,
Look at that. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. All right, I'm gonna hand you the camera and put that little dress on her. I have my vintage doll in this vintage dress. Isn't that so cute on her? However, it's just a little shy of buttoning in the back. But if she were just, gonna wear it for a minute like she is now, isn't that adorable? Oh, I really like her. I'm just going to take a wet wipe to her. Her hair is in such good shape. I'm just going to leave her. I really like her. Boy, thank you for those who encouraged me to go ahead and buy Sasha dolls. And now I have a baby too. I was going to open this up real quick. This is a book recommended by Tracy at Eclectic Wondering. Oh my goodness, have you ever seen that woman sew? If you have not watched Tracy's channel, Eclectic Wondering, I will link she and Lorraine, Where Dolls Dwell, in the description so that you can see that. But Tracy sews like, oh, she's beautiful items. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And she recommended this book. She was going to make something out of it for dolls she just bought. And I went and looked it up because these are perfect little outfits for Sasha dolls. And we have a collab coming up very, very soon. And the ladies in it are so talented. You're going to want to see every channel. Boy, Tracy, this is a cool book. Oh, that is kind of what I'm looking for, that little pinafore or apron, I guess it is. Oh yeah, these are spectacular. I love those bikes. We have a few of these in our house for decor, those little, I call them wire bikes. And they're called, what is the correct, farning bikes? Is that what they're called, Darren?
I don't remember.
Oh, look at this. Wouldn't this be
Penny
adorable?
farthing.
Penny farthing, that's it. Very cool. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
I know what you're going to be doing.
Yeah.